Hi, I'm Victory. Today we're going to talk about word processing software. By that I mean the program on your computer that you would open when you need to type up a document. Today we're going to cover 4 options. These range from a couple $100s up front to yearly subscription fees to free. Microsoft Office is the industry standard when it comes to word processing, spreadsheets, and multimedia presentation. This means it's going to be very easy to use and share, as well as find instructions on how to do specific things online. Now, Microsoft Office has 2 main buying formats. You can either buy the software outright or do a yearly subscription fee. It's less money up front, so you're not having to dish out $150 all at once, and you're always going to be guaranteed to have the most up-to-date version of Microsoft Office. One of my biggest compliments for Microsoft Office is the vast variety of free templates. I use a template almost every time I have to create a new document. I've used these templates for resumes, cover letters, and I've even used them for most of our TechNav paperwork. The second software we're going to talk about today is Corel's WordPerfect. It's a little bit outdated, but it's much cheaper and it definitely brings some value to the table. To get WordPerfect, you're looking at one flat rate fee of $49.99. Now, when we looked on the website for this video, it looked like they were having a sale. So the home and student version, which is normally $99, was marked down to $49.99. We chose to include WordPerfect in this video because we actually have a team member here at TechNav who's a big fan of WordPerfect. Now, the third software we're going to discuss today is OpenOffice. OpenOffice is actually free. There's no investment needed. I actually used OpenOffice to get through 3 years of my college experience, and I did just fine. And the fourth and final software we're going to talk about today is Google Docs. It's a free online platform that you can use to create, edit, and share documents. I'm not a big fan of Google Docs. I find it to be tedious and somewhat annoying to use. Charlie loves to use it for collaborative projects, as in, I need to type in this document, then I need to send it to my friend Paul, let him type something, and he needs to send it back to me. Google Docs is going to be much easier than any of the other platforms we've mentioned today. So, my personal recommendation is if you're just an average person using a word processing software for everyday things, just use OpenOffice. There's no need to invest serious money into a software that you're just going to use occasionally.